Welcome to the Weather Center. We are looking here at this pretty big cold front that hit the western parts of the country early on Thursday morning, introducing cloudy, rainy, chilly and windy conditions in some areas. At the same time, we had quite a bit of cloud over parts of the Free State and the northeastern areas. Then throughout the rest of Thursday, we saw this cold front spreading wintry weather into the rest of the Western Cape and the western sections of the Northern Cape, where we're going to stay with fairly wet weather for much of your Thursday night, with gale force winds expected in some places. On Friday, we are going to have showery and colder weather over the western areas of the Northern Cape and much of the Western Cape. The cold front will spread cooler air into the central areas. However, it will stay mostly sunny and warmer for the eastern sections, and towards the evening we could see some of the showers spilling into parts of the Eastern Cape. Now we have a number of weather alerts for your Friday. Gale force winds over the southern interior, where you see that shade of red. A warning is also in place for high fire danger for the southern parts of the Eastern Cape. We also have a watch for gale force winds off the south coast of South Africa, where high seas are also expected in places. A watch is also in place for localized flooding over the southwestern areas of the Western Cape. It's going to be pretty breezy for your Friday over much of western and southern South Africa. Winds reaching 50 kilometers per hour around Sutherland and Beaufort West. 40 kilometers per hour northwesterlies are forecast around the Cape Peninsula. The winds get lighter as we go towards eastern South Africa. Now we are going to have cloudy and rainy weather for the western and southern areas of the Northern Cape, where it's going to be pretty chilly. Springbok and Calvinia peaking at just around 10 degrees colder as we go towards Sutherland. We are expecting cloudy, rainy and chilly weather to persist across much of the Western Cape, where highs in the mid-teens are expected for much of the province. The Southern Cape areas will also see a bit of rain with a high of 18. Forecast for George. Port Elizabeth will be mostly cloudy, warming to around 20 degrees. We are going to see mostly sunny skies for the easternmost areas of the Eastern Cape. East London will be partly cloudy, warming to a pleasant 24 on Friday afternoon. Sunny and warm to hot weather can be expected across much of KwaZulu-Natal. Durban peaking at 27, 28 for the high in Richards Bay and Ulundi. It's also going to be sunny across Mpumalanga, mild for the high felt, but hot for Mbombela and Skukuza with highs in the lower 30s. We are also going to see sunny weather across much of Limpopo, Polokwane, warming to around 26 degrees. Clear skies are set to persist across the northwest, where Mahikeng should reach a high of 25 degrees on Friday afternoon. We are going to see the cold front affecting the western areas of the Free State, partly cloudy for Forest Smith and Saston, peaking at 12 degrees, 16 for the high in Bloemfontein. Gauteng will stay sunny and mild to warm, with Pretoria reaching a high of around 24 degrees. Now on Saturday, we are going to see light rain showers over parts of the south and the east coast. It will be sunny in Gauteng with mild afternoon temperatures. A cloudy and rainy Sunday is forecast for Cape Town. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the southwestern areas, as well as over KwaZulu-Natal.